Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here at the great MRP studio in Prague, Warsaw, Warsaw, at the New Work offices. Great studio now here. So if you're looking to do any podcasts or videos with your presidents, seems to be a great studio to do it in. What do you think, Winston?
I think it's a great location.
Lots of lights, lots of things going on, lots of different backgrounds, different colored lights if you need some.
No, it's a great studio, yeah.
Yeah, very
definitely
interesting. So I guess there's
good for podcasting,
good for
videos.
Exactly. Lots of things happening. So a lot of things going on here this summer. A lot of things coming up. We're working on 4 of our events. 2 for September. One is our retail awards and marketplace CEE. Enough's covering SEE in Prague, and that's September 18th. So if you're doing anything in retail for Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, do not miss this event. And of course, Prague's always always good to come the weekend before and see what's happening there. And I think Prague really is the cutting edge for new retail, and especially a lot of luxury items there, a lot of luxury brands. First port of call, exactly. We've I think Cushman had over 15 brands entered the market already this year, so a lot going on there. Good place to launch new brands and to come in and meet some of the owners for Central Eastern Europe and Southeastern Europe. A lot there. And then right after that, the week after, we have our CEO Awards in Serbia, in Belgrade, with Serbia Monthly, so also very good. And then the week after, or the month after, October, big month for investment in commercial real estates, kicking off with EXPO Real and our Europa Property Investment Guide. We always have extensive distribution throughout EXPO Real, and a lot of new things coming out in the magazine. A lot of distribution there. So if you've got something to promote or a company you'd like to promote, a new project, let us know, because we definitely want to get you in this magazine. And then right after that, we have our CRE Awards, October 19th. And in Budapest, at the Budapest InterContinental Hotel, and even a new sponsor,
Wired Score.
Yeah, absolutely. A great tech company doing a lot of interesting things there. So take a look at the website. We got a lot of logos, a lot of sponsors already for it. Probably will be another sold out event, but definitely take a look at it. A lot coming up on that. Covering the Southeastern Europe, of course, Czech Republic, Slovakia as well, Hungary being, of course, the biggest market there. Also Serbia and Montenegro, a lot happening in Montenegro there too, and a lot of Serbians, Montenegros and developers, investors coming up for that. And then straight after that, we have our CEE Investment Awards, which is in Warsaw, Poland, here at the InterContinental, which is really the meeting point for investors doing anything in the region. So pop up for that. A lot of new investors hitting the market. A lot of new money as well. A lot of new people with dry powder looking to invest in projects and buy some income producing assets. So very interesting things there. Have a look at the websites or drop us an email to see what's going on there now. We'll shoot over Winston. It looks like you have a lot of news there. Let us know the headlines.
Thanks, Craig. So Nineva has obtained a zero waste certificate for its entire portfolio throughout the European region. Half Price has opened a big store in Centrum Yankee in Warsaw. Triumph Puntinga has occupied 25,000 square meters in CT Park, Warsaw East. And Multi-Decor has extended its lease at Kontopa Park 2 near Warsaw.
Yeah, so a lot going on, a bit on the retail side there as well. Good. So we'll take a little break and we'll come right back in 30 seconds with the news. Smith. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 5th Annual Europa Property CRE Awards and the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the region. This year's awards really highlight the professionalism in the region, and with over 40% of the attendees flying in for the event, it is truly international. Meet the most active investors, bankers, and developers in the region. The CRE Awards is not to be missed. Visit our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So we're back. Great to see you all. And we're here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, to give us the full details on the news today.
Thanks, Greg. And so, Nine has obtained a zero waste certificate for 94% of its centres in Europe. Obviously, they're building the outlet centres.
Yeah, very nice.
All around Europe. And TUV Rhineland has recognised Nine's efficient management and its capacity to recycle and recover a high percentage of the waste generated by its centres. And in doing so, they've avoided using landfill, which is a very good achievement, I think. And through reuse, recycling, and energy recovery, Ninever achieved an average waste recovery rate of 81% last year, according to TUV. And the centres that were involved in this were Factory Anapol in Poland, and Amsterdam the Style Outlets and Corona the Style Outlets in Portugal. And they have like a 98% recovery of waste.
Wow.
So apparently it's the highest possible rate recorded in the retail industry.
Yeah, I mean, I guess for net zero carbon, that's about as close as you're going to get. There must be some things you just can't recycle.
Yeah. It's a great work for the environment, I think there. And staying in the retail sector, and Centrum Yankee in Warsaw has welcomed Half Price chain belonging to the CC Group. Half Price opened a 2,000 square meter store, and the owner of the Centrum Yankee is Cromwell Property Group. And the manager of the facility is Apsis Polska. And according to Marta Grabska, she's from the Cromwell Property Group, thanks to the opening of Half Price, our visitors gain access not only to many global brands, but above all, the price opportunities for which the chain is famous for. And this is like the Polish version of TK Maxx.
Yeah.
They're expanding throughout the region, and they're going to Austria, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Croatia, Slovenia, Romania, Latvia, and Hungary. So a big footprint for them around the region.
Clearly, people are happy with Half Price.
Yes, like Lolik.
Yeah, Lolik seems very happy with Half Price.
And continuing, we have in the industrial industry, Triumph Huttinger has leased a substantial lease from CTP with a 24,500 square meters. With a production warehouse at CT Park Warehouse East. And over the next 5 years, Triumph plans to employ around 3,000 people.
Right. Okay.
And this means a growth of 100% for the company. And according to Pavel Ozmik, he's the managing director at Triumph, we are constantly acquiring new orders, and we forecast that the demand for our products will continue to increase in the coming years. And according to Bogi Gabovich, Deputy Country Head at CTP in Poland, our investment program in Poland, totaling 300 million euros for land acquisition and new projects over the next couple of years, focuses in areas that our clients need, providing infrastructure for sustainable growth and the development of the service sector. And finally, for today, staying in the logistics industry, and Savills Investment Management has announced that Multi-Decor, which is the Christmas lights manufacturer,
Sure.
They've extended their lease for 23,000 square meters at Konotokowa Park 2 near Warsaw, and they've established a large production centre there of their Christmas illuminations. And from that particular centre, they're taking their decorations throughout Poland, Germany, the UK, France, Romania, and Hungary.
Oh, so growing a lot.
Yeah, seems to be
Rapid growth. Great to see. With Christmas lights, always nice.
Yeah, and they like to be located in Poland, which is a great location for people in the industry.
Absolutely. Well, great to hear so many exciting things in the news there. Also, you might have also take a look at our interview with the head of Ravitas, and covering our, which was done yesterday, and we put it out today, covering the Fight for Freedom Gala, and it's a big charity event with money going, of course, to the children and to some of the veterans in the Ukraine war. So big event happening here in Warsaw. at the Sheraton on August 22nd, and big opportunity to meet people in the real estate business, and not only, and also to give some money back to charity and to help people in the war effort. So enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you Friday with the news.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.